Attention African youth. Are you on the lookout for an amazing business idea that combines your love for gaming and entrepreneurship? Look no further, because I have an exciting proposition for you. The home gaming cafe business. Starting a gaming cafe may initially seem overwhelming, but with proper planning and research, you can overcome obstacles such as equipment costs and creating a welcoming environment that appeals to a diverse audience. Gaming cafes have flourished in various parts of the world, and Africa is brimming with untapped potential. By embracing this business idea, you can be at the forefront of the gaming revolution on our beloved continent. Now, when we think of gaming consoles often come to mind. However, let's hold that thought for a moment. Through extensive research and even opening our own gaming cafe, we have discovered that computers are the best option for gaming in several ways. Gaming PCs offer hardware customization options, allowing for higher performance and the ability to adapt to evolving technology. This results in better graphics, higher frame rates, and the ability to play games at higher resolutions. Moreover, gaming PCs provide an extensive game library with a wider range of gaming options, including indie titles and classic games. The modding and user-generated content community on PCs enhance the gaming experience by allowing players to customize and extend games. Additionally, gaming PCs offer better backward compatibility, allowing players to enjoy older games from different generations. Plus, PC games are cheaper than console games in Africa, and the flexibility and versatility of PCs make them a preferred choice for gamers who seek a multifunctional device that can be used for work, content creation, and multimedia tasks. Now, before our video title become clickbait, let's get to the point. Many African families survive on an average income of just $1 per day. Earning at least $2 to $3 a day can be truly life-changing. That's why we have come up with a low-cost business idea that can guarantee you a daily income of at least $10, all from the comfort of your own home. Firstly, we'll need CPUs, the brains of the gaming setups. Assuming you have a basic understanding of CPUs, we recommend investing in ones that can handle popular split-screen titles, such as Blur, Call of Duty, and Dirt. During our research, we purchased two Core i5 CPUs, with 2 GB NVIDIA Quadro graphics cards in each, along with 8 GB of RAM for each PC at the cost of $200 each. Additionally, we acquired two 32-inch ITEL TVs for display, costing us a total of $160. For peripherals, we spent $30 on a set of 2 keyboards, a mouse, and headsets. As for controllers, we opted for either Xbox 360 or the more affordable UCOM controllers. We purchased 4 sets for $30, but if you prefer Xbox 360 controllers, 8 of them would have cost us $120. However, do keep in mind that the UCOM gamepads require third-party software to work properly, whilst the Xbox 360 gamepads do not. Overall, the investment is worthwhile. Now, there are only 2 items left on our shopping list: HDMI cables and the games themselves. HDMI cables typically cost around $5 each. As for the games, here's a list of titles we recommend: GTA 5, Blur, Call of Duty, Black Ops 3, Mortal Kombat 11 or 1, Watch Dogs 2, Far Cry 4 and 5, FIFA 24, and any others that catch your interest. Set aside at least $50 for purchasing the games. Taking all of this into account, the actual investment needed for this setup is $700. However, you can expect to earn an estimated $300 per month, meaning you will recoup your investment in just 3 months. And if you decide to expand and invest in more computers, your earnings can increase even further. The research for this video and all the prices in this video are for those in Zimbabwe, but only the prices may vary depending on where you are in Africa. but overall, it's a low-risk business idea for all Africans to consider. So if you're passionate about gaming and entrepreneurship, share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more exciting business ideas tailored for Africa. Together, let's unlock the power of gaming and build a vibrant gaming community right here in our beloved continent. We also have a cell phone repair plus laptop repair course in the making, so that you can also add computer repair to the services rendered in your gaming cafe to increase your daily income.
Please like and subscribe for more content like this.